welcome back to the channel again. Thanks for joining us. Before we go any further, please make sure you drop down, give this video a like for no apparent reason at all, and subscribe to the channel. Listen, so those of you that have been here for a little bit of time know, man, I gotta get a holder, but well, that'll be talked about here right now, because a holder for the truck or the phone, because phone camera. I shoot everything on my Samsung, by the way, S9 Plus. This is funny. You may see this video, you may not, because those of you who've been with the channel know that when I started this channel, I was been talking about my old girl right here. I call my truck Berta. I know somebody's gonna have a problem with me calling my truck a girl's name, but especially anyway, I like the name Berta. So anyway, that's what we call the truck, and there's reason number one that we're gonna have this conversation, but we're going to the dealership. I can honestly say, for the most part, I've only driven Chevrolets. I think I had one Cutlass Cruiser station wagon. I've had one Fox body Mustang. I think, man, I can't even remember. I think that was like an 88 6-cylinder 4-speed or 5-speed or something like that. That is it, man. Everything's been a Chevrolet. I've had an 85 Chevette. I couldn't tell you how many 80s Camaros and Z28s I've had. And anyway, old girl, the Silverado, Berta, there's just a little too much going on with her, and what's going on, and it's a lot of stuff coming apart at one time. And if I need anything at all, that's a very good, dependable vehicle. And I found, not too far from my house, from where we're at right now, we should be there in just a couple minutes. For you, it'll be a second, but the frame is cracked in one place, the bed is rotted, the rear diff is leaking, the power steering is leaking, there's no heat, there's no air conditioning, and as you heard, the check engine light's dinging. Old girl is tired and had enough, but I'm telling you, this motor and transmission does not stop. And what's the sad part is that I really wanted to keep this Silverado for a long time, because my VIN is the letter B, and that is the high output 5.3 liter V8. This is the all aluminum, the aluminum block, aluminum everything, 5.3. It's only on the Silverados that have a VIN B. The 8th digit of your VIN number is a B for Bob, for boy. Anyways, so that's where we're at. We're almost there. Let's get to the dealer and let's get to it. All right, so here we are at the dealership I wanted to check out, and I was already looking, but this is the one I'm picking out. This blue one is the one I'm choosing to pick out. So, out of all these used trucks here in this area, that red one is my second choice, but this blue one is my first. The blue one is all decked out. The red one is sort of decked out, where the blue one has the opening back window. The red one doesn't, but the blue one is more decked out, and I like it. What do you like better? The used 2015 or the used 2017? And I gotta tell you, when it comes to me and buying trucks, mileage, I don't concern myself or care about mileage too much. You can't beat a GM truck. GMC, Chevy, whatever, you can't beat it. and we're getting rid of old Berta here. So let's go inside. Oh, let's go do some talking and see what we can do. That's a beer I ever seen time gone by. Oh, you meant to me, never ever meant to be. I ever seen time gone by. Real quick, just happened to be driving by and seen this 60 Corvette standing here, and was gonna get a picture of my dad standing next to it, and the owner came out, and we've been talking, and right away he was telling me about this front license plate on here. You want to tell me again the story?
It's a dealer plate, and that was put on the cars in the showroom by Chevrolet dealers. Each dealer got one. And I've been looking for it for years, and it was a gift to me a few years ago from one of my best friends. And they're very hard to find, and it just made the car complete.
Yeah, it really does too. And that's actually printed in there. That's not airbrushed or anything. I don't know if that's coming through on camera, but you can feel there's an inlay on that. Very clean. What is the motor again?
It's a 283 original motor, V8, single 4-barrel.
And the transmission?
It's a 4-speed T10.
Okay.
Original.
Wow. And you restored it, huh?
Yes.
I noticed on the back, did the exhaust come like that, or did you make that?
No, that came that way. This is what the car looked like when I bought it. It's an $1,100 car.
Wow, $1,100.
1,100?
Yeah.
That's what it was when you bought it?
Yeah, I paid $1,100 for the car.
Wow.
My friend owns Classic Robotic on the range. Yeah, he and I worked on the car together.
Wow, I just noticed that on the passenger side. So, like on my C5, it says Corvette right there. Look.
I didn't think they made gangster walls anymore.
Oh yeah, in 61 was the last year.
Oh yeah?
Then after that, they went to the thin white.
So it's just like a C5.
They're known as gangster walls.
Yeah.
But it comes all the way out. Like, that's really sweet. I love the handlebar here.
67 Cadillac DeVille, and they had to cut them on the... Yeah, the OSB.
There's no cursing on my channel. They ding you for that, so I got to put like a doot over that.
Yeah.
Very nice.